All right, guys, I know some of you know from before that I bought these, and these were for the sedan. Long story short, that's entirely my fault. But months later, I ended up finding these coupe ones that a guy sold me on Rev Limited for a really good deal. So the plan is put those in today and then sell those ones. I know this is falling off, but that's not a big deal because once it's pressed against the door, that's not going to make a difference at all. Worst case, I can just glue it a little bit. So before we go any further, let's actually do a before and after. So here's the tan. We'll go see the other side. This door will actually be able to get open a little bit more. Tan's just not great on white in my opinion. And there's actually, you can get a small flathead like I have around here to pry that out, and then there is one more Phillips in there, so I'll go ahead and get that out. So at this point it's all about going around the sides of the door and pulling out all the tabs, and then from there all you have to do is really lift it to clear this lock, and then it should pull right off. Boom, just like that, we're clear. And I'm actually kind of excited that all that paper stuff stayed up, because I'm going to use that instead of what's on the black door. That way I don't have to worry about gluing it. The install process was literally just sliding it right back over the little lock here, sliding it into place. Well, first of all, you had to push this piece through that controls the windows, and then slide it over that, line it up, press all the tabs back in. And honestly, man, black interior, oh my god, I'm so excited because this is actually my first black interior. The closest I've had was like a light gray, but it's still got, you know, obviously if you're working on a car and you touch it, it's fucked. This, all you really have to do is just wipe off dirt, but man, I love that. I can't wait to do the other side and see how it all looks. So the seller gave me a pretty much full interior as far as the doors go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this switch off and plug it into the back of this one. Actually, no, I'm not. Only because I know for sure mine works. I don't know 100% if his does. All right, there's one side complete. I don't know how well this is gonna show up with all the sun and everything. Let me see if I can get it better. But over there you can still see the tan one versus the black door card. I think that looks pretty epic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm not gonna film that one only because, well, you already saw it here, and also because it's hot as shit and the camera's not really liking that too much. So I'll put that together over there and then we'll look at them together. All right, guys, we're finally wrapped up. Oh man, that looks so much better than the tan. I am so excited for that. And then this one. To me, it's always changed the entire interior of the car as far as, you know, like you look at the whole front and you almost feel like you're in a spaceship when it's all black. But when it's tan, it's just kind of like, you almost get that daily commuter feel and everything. And oh man, I'm just so excited. Actually, there's missing plugs that I never got here and there. I'm gonna see if those fit, and if they do, I'm gonna cover those up. I do need new outer rings for the door handles. That one's completely messed up. Well, that's because the actual handle itself is messed up. But almost nobody ever drives on this side or, you know, rides with me on this side, so I'm not too pressed on it. But now I can focus on selling those. The tan ones. I wanted to put my rear seat card deletes in, but it's so hot. It's probably like 96 out right now. And on this side, I'm excited to have this little cubby, shelf, whatever you want to call it, because the other one, the OEM one, or I don't know what I'm saying. The stock one that I got with the car, the original owner, I guess, ripped it off or something, but I never had that. So this will be cool to just keep, like, you know, if I run out real quick, just to throw something in there. Yeah, that's awesome. So next, I'm gonna work on, I'll probably pull those panels off and end up spraying those black, most likely. And eventually I would like to get the carpet out and spray that black too. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm so excited. All right, guys, but I think that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.